Undercover officers notice a woman in an alleyway concealing an alcoholic beverage in a brown paper bag. Upon noticing officers, she quickly picks up her pace. They follow her a short distance to confront her, but words lead to actions that will eventually force their hand.
You had the beer.
No, I don't have it.
You had the beer.
I haven't drank, I haven't used drugs, and I vape. Can I help you?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm picking up trash over here. Are you doing that?
No.
Okay, just wanted to make sure.
Well.
Because there seems to be a lot of crap over here.
Okay.
I haven't been to St. Pete in a long time. So.
Okay. Well, we had other officers saw you with the beer in your hands drinking.
No, they did not.
Yes, they
did. Because I've been wearing this scarf wrapped up and around my face. It's warm.
Okay.
I've got heat emitting from my face.
Okay.
And saw me drinking a beer?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay, where's that beer can along where all that candy is? Where those kids have needles next to their candy and their Pokemon cards? And you're coming at me because you think I've got a beer can because I picked up trash on the side of your street? My name is Megan Stevenson.
Okay.
And I'm getting tired of doing all this
Okay.
Okay, so I mean, if Scientology would like to step in instead of being a distraction, maybe pay attention to the fact that I haven't been drinking.
Well, I don't know anything about Scientology. I'm just telling you, we have officers in the area.
Okay.
Okay, in undercover capacity, and he saw what he saw.
Let me see your detective. I want to hear his information. Because I can tell you this right now, I haven't been drinking.
Okay.
Can you just come out of there a little bit, please?
No.
Well, you have to.
You have to.
You're detained right now, so you got to come out. Just come out
I'm
there a
being
little bit.
detained for what?
For the ordinance violation.
There is no ordinance violation.
Sure
I haven't
it is.
been drinking, and you're going to breathalyze me right here and right now.
You need
Bullshit. I haven't been drinking.
Calm down.
No.
Come on.
I haven't done anything one bit illegal. Not one bit, but walk down a fucking alley.
Okay.
I haven't been a sex consort. I haven't been a prostitute. I haven't beaten the fuck up out of your police department, though.
Okay.
And I've gotten real sick of it. Not sure what the Masons are doing while they're flip-flopping it. And they've got 4 or 5 different people in their orders.
Why are you yelling?
Because you're sitting over here accusing me of drinking, and I would love to have a drink, and I'm staying sober.
Okay.
So
I'm
you've
just
got
telling,
a detective?
I am telling
What's
you.
the detective's name? I would like the detective's name. I would like to see it on paperwork.
That'll be in your paperwork.
No, it won't.
Yes, it will.
I didn't do anything illegal.
Well, I'm telling you, we saw.
You don't have any liquor. There's none on my breath. No, I don't. You are going off of illegal information.
You're so far away you can't tell. That's why you need to come out here. That doesn't
tell that I have not been drinking.
That doesn't help. Come out here, please.
No.
I'm asking
you are a
nicely.
famous actor.
Thank you. You recognize me. So come out here and be on TV with me.
1518.
Can we just figure this out, please? There's no big
I
deal.
got you both on live television.
It's just it's an ordinance.
We're on live
violation.
TV?
I'm Sadie. My name's Megan Stevenson.
Oh, you're
I'm
Megan?
constantly under attack.
I know
I'm not
you.
even doing anything illegal.
I know you.
Oh, you do? Oh, good, because I can recognize your accent, and
now
it's
that
not
I can
quite
see,
the same.
I can see under your scarf now.
Talk like
You're normally really good, like cooperative.
Normally, I'm really good.
Like
I'm a
cooperative.
kid on the street.
I know.
Okay.
Can we just
So
can we
can
just
I help
step
you?
out here,
I'm riding
please,
my
Megan?
bike. You've got obviously a confused detective.
So you're picking up.
Because I do
trash?
more detective
So
work
you
and finding
got-
criminal activity in your mother city. Do
Are
you
you
guys want to win a
relaxed?
bet or something?
Megan, it's so cold. Can we just?
Oh, you know my name because I've repeated it twice now. So that means your PSI is speaking up nice and loud.
Man, so code 20.
A code 20.
So
No
what about all
way.
what
A
about all
code
this
20.
liquor here that you threw?
That's not a bad.
Really? As a police dog to a police officer, you're going to come at me for drinking, and there's no drink. Not even alcohol, not even water.
Wait, did you
I
say
just
as a
finished some
police?
coffee,
Did
actually.
you say as a police dog?
Dog.
Yeah.
Meaning, you guys get information from me by fucking stalking me everywhere. Oh, let me feel real cool right now. As like one woman with 2 police officers here that literally have no alcohol. You have no presence on
But
me.
what about your crack pipe?
What crack pipe? My vape? You mean my
Is that a
THC
vape?
over-the-counter vapes?
It looks like a crack pipe to me.
That looks like a crack pipe to you, officer?
the other one.
Check out my vapes, Florida.
So I can check it out?
No. Here you go. Oh, my vapes.
My vape.
Not my loaded guns.
Would you
People
relax?
call this a loaded gun? This isn't a loaded gun. I've had a gun put up against my head. A revolver at that.
You have a gun?
Okay.
No, but I've heard your police
You
radio.
just said you did.
Oh, you guys actually sound super awesome to me right now.
Well,
Yep.
we're being nothing but nice, and you're the
No,
one who's
you're
raising
actually not. You're
escalating.
trying to accuse me of a crime that I have not committed. And walking up at me to arrest me for nothing.
That's
But
not-
what?
that's-
Wearing a yellow raincoat?
Megan, you're not gonna jail nothing. It's nothing like that.
No, you just said that you were detaining me for my
Detained.
time.
You were detained.
Did you need a picture of me?
Yep.
Is it something that you guys want to like share with some of your family? Because I don't get to see my family going through this.
Megan, why are we going through this?
Oh, I don't know. You've heard it all over your podcasts.
What podcasts?
Okay, so this police station obviously is not as connected within their pods, their jails, their prison systems.
Okay.
Well, that's kind of mods.
I know, right? Mascara. Is this my lashing? Because it's like the only makeup that I have.
I think this whole thing's made up.
You think it's all made up?
Yeah.
I've been dealing with it for 3.5 years.
Yeah.
1 month at
Okay.
Bob Bacon's gave me 135 years. I have literally spent almost 30-something years
It's hard to
working down that pennyverse, learning every twist, so I can, like, get a grip on your den. Maybe I should just cut off all the magic
This
first.
is our use discretion and.
What would you like me to do? Because I can read it and smell it off of you
Hey,
as
can
your
I ask you-
eyes are changing
So-
in front of me.
You can smell what on him?
I can see it in the
See what?
color of the iris.
What can you see?
Changing and
Irish.
revolving.
How'd you know I was Irish?
He's trying to say that I was walking with a can of beer, drinking with a beer, and I wasn't.
The beers are over there.
I didn't have any beer. Let me go ahead and
that?
check that beer out, and we'll
Well,
test it
we'll
with the
get
DNA on it.
Well, we're not going to
We'll
do
see
all
if
that.
it matches.
But do you have ID on you, please? Can we at least have that? Thanks, sweetheart. Just some ID, please. Then we can be on our way,
You
please.
don't need my ID.
Yeah, we do need your ID.
No, you don't.
Oh, yeah,
I haven't
we don't.
done anything for documentation.
Yeah, we do. We don't want this to escalate into something
Yeah.
silly over.
I've already got to
little-
sue your county for a dog bite they shouldn't have given me and
Yeah.
spending almost double the time on it because people were getting fresh. Like playing with the
Megan,
den and
this
the
is
demons
just a
in
lot
it.
easier if you just get the ID.
33 days in on charges that were completely dropped.
I don't know anything about
Hundreds
that.
of thousands of dollars in a lawsuit because the police officers cannot get enough distance from me.
Hey, Megan, can I just have your ID, please?
I don't have my ID. My wallet was stolen. Maybe you guys can go find
All right.
that thief.
Can we just have your name and date of birth?
They're gonna head out.
Megan, Ryan,
Hey, dude.
Stevenson, 1990. If you can feel me in your skin, it's because you know who I am. And that pisses me off
March
that you guys just
27th,
want to
1990?
you just want to meet
How do
a
you
different
spell-
kind of man
how do you
version
spell
of them.
Megan?
Just leave the contact.
Excuse
How
me?
do you spell your first name? There's a lot of different ways to spell that. Is it
MEGAN.
Contact team, you're gonna touch me.
And then
You're distracting me from life. Doing my spiritual work that your city is so far up my paying me
Megan, do you
for
have a
so
social?
well-heartedly.
Megan,
Megan.
what's
I
your
mean,
social?
Scientology
Let's go
owes
back
me
to
in
the
check,
car.
and we got your
Megan,
bait of
you're
the
kick-
police
you're-
officers.
You're kicking me all your.
What? These?
Your
You're
bottom-
saying you're going to just blame that bag of trash
No,
on me?
not at all.
I'm saying you're kicking a bag of trash at me. What is your social?
I'm not giving you my social. You gotta be kidding me. Not when I get projected over a fucking speaker in your metronome in here.
Thanks,
Floors
I'll-
that
I'll
were
say times
shifting
12.
and moving
Thank
through
you.
world crisis.
After running her name, officers get ready to search the woman, but she quickly makes it apparent that she doesn't approve.
Then can we
I'm
be
not
on our
getting
way?
searched.
You are.
No,
It's
that's
search
I'm not.
incident to
I'm not known
arrest.
for dealing. I'm not known for drugs.
Okay.
I'm not known for anything like
It
that.
doesn't matter what you think.
No, you know
we
this-
have probable cause for
Probable
the arrest.
cause of what?
For the arrest.
No, you
for
don't.
the open container.
No,
We
you
did.
fabricated that.
No, we did not.
Yes, you
fabricate
did.
that.
I've got a play-by-play in my fucking recording.
Okay.
That I can go boop boop. There
Well,
you go.
you could turn
U.S.
your-
government.
Listen, just
US
relax.
government.
Just relax, okay?
Would you like to work with CIA
Megan,
or
We
FBI?
need to step around the
Don't touch me.
We just need to step
I
around
can take
here.
my backpack off without you touching me.
All right, thank you.
That is illegal. I have not done anything wrong. It is bullshit. That's the cops.
780. Can we get one more CSO, please?
It is illegal. It is illegal. I did not drink. I am upset
Probably
because
upset
you
that
literally
you
just
get-
put hands on me, and that's assault.
Just get
Counter charges. Assault by the officer. Illegal.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Don't touch me again.
No, I just
Illegal.
want your bag.
No.
Well, I'm not
Back
touching you,
off.
but I want your
will
bag.
open it up and you can search it from a distance. I've done it with an officer
Okay.
before.
All right, let's go.
Illegal as hell.
And
In fact, you don't even have a reason for collecting my backpack.
I do.
My personal effects are in this
I
bag.
do. So you wait here. I'm just going to go over here where I have room away from you.
Would you relax, please?
Get away from me! I don't trust your officers! You've been nothing but abusive! I wouldn't even call you if I needed the
Would
safety!
you stop?
I'm here collecting fucking trash to survive!
Why are you screaming?
Because you didn't even go through my backpack, he's going behind a wall! Do it in front of me!
Yeah, okay,
Drop
come
that.
on then.
In front of me!
Here I am.
Right here.
No, shame me! Shame me for being a woman!
Megan,
It's
would you
bullshit!
relax?
I don't deserve you to go through my products or my property! I have done nothing illegal! And I will make
did.
sure that my voice is heard
You did.
from the amount of illegal activity.
You were drinking.
Because I have not been
Well, then,
drinking, and
why
I'm gonna
my face?
breathalyze if you with me.
Would you
Be
stop?
wise,
Would you
because
stop?
I am sober, and you are pissing me off with your accusations.
Okay.
They're lies.
They're not.
Yes, they are. Ask me how I know. Because you are purposefully harassing me.
Hey, Megan,
Harassment.
if you have just stay
Stop.
there.
You know what?
You were the
I'm
kicking
just gonna
Stop
put you in
it!
cuffs. I'm just going to put you in cuffs.
No.
I don't want
Let
you
go
sticking
of
right
me.
there.
Would you stop?
Let go.
I'm
You're not under
gonna let
arrest,
go.
but you're
just
acting
being
a little-
detained.
I don't need
little
cuffs
animated.
on me. Help!
Would you stop?
Let go of me.
Would you stop?
I'm not doing anything wrong. Let go of my
Just let go.
jacket.
Okay.
Just relax now.
Stop.
Megan,
I haven't done
you wanna
anything
get extra
wrong.
charges or
Why
not?
are you putting cuffs on
just
me?
because you're detained
Why
and you're acting the
why are
way
you
you're
putting cuffs?
acting.
No, I am
Yes,
not.
you are.
You are hurting me for no reason.
We are not.
Stop. I don't want to be
Megan, would
arrested.
you stop before you get extra charges?
Stop. I'll put
You- we're
charges.
just-
I am going to do a breathalyzer if you do this to me. Do it right now. Do it right now.
Would you stop, Megan?
You're hurting me.
Just come here with us.
Stop
I
doing
don't
that.
want to be arrested. You said you're going to slap on me.
Because you're detained because you're acting the way you're
I'm
acting.
yelling at you because you're harassing me.
There we go. I got this one.
Stop.
Ow.
Would you stop?
I'm not an elf, you idiot. You're hurting me.
You are
You're
I'm
doing
a
it.
human being.
Yes, you
I'm
are.
a human being. I'm a human being.
That's
What is
correct.
wrong with these officers? I've done nothing illegal. I haven't
Come on,
done
Megan.
anything
Megan,
wrong.
would you stop?
Why are you doing this?
Because of the way you're acting.
I just went around the corner picking up
Okay.
trash. What is wrong with you?
Would you stop now?
I don't trust you.
That's
None of
your
you.
prerogative. Okay?
Hey, Megan, if you got a pipe or anything, you got to tell us now, okay, on your person?
I don't have anything but my over-the-counter THC pens. I haven't done anything illegal.
Okay, but you just need to cooperate with us, okay?
I'm
That's all.
trying to.
Would you just
I've
relax?
never even ran from police. That's not my
Okay,
history. My
but
name
you-
is Megan Ryan Stevenson. I'm
I know
not
who you are.
Alexander Fowler.
I know who you are.
I'm not Jimmy Gerard. And he's checking my pockets.
Yes, we
still.
are. Yes, we are. And we're going to continue to check those pockets.
It's abusive to start. I didn't do anything
Okay?
illegal.
A giant knife.
It's a pocket knife.
Mm-hmm.
I'm on the streets.
Okay. That's fine.
Mm-hmm.
That's fine.
I cannot believe I'm being physically searched by two male officers
Incident.
as a female
Incident to arrest with our body cameras on. Okay?
for no DNA on
We
a
don't-
hand that
DNA.
doesn't even.
Are we gonna-
I'm breathing
I'm
on
not
you.
going to entertain.
There's no
Megan,
alcohol.
Megan, be quiet. Just be quiet.
I'm allowed to be upset. He's pulling my arms up purposefully.
He is checking your waistband.
I don't have anything. You guys are trying to find a reason for arrest.
We already have it.
No, you don't. I didn't drink.
Stop talking.
Let me just move this for a second, all right? You have it all back.
You got
don't
me
worry.
on cameras looking
We-
like this too.
We most certainly do. This whole interaction's on body camera.
Well, then
Hold
make
your
warm again.
erections.
The whole interaction is on body camera.
Yes. And on your SUV camera.
It's all there.
I haven't done anything illegal.
We've already told you. Open container within 500 feet of Publix, which is a
I
business that
don't
is
have
known
an
to
open
sell.
container at Publix. Present
Listen.
the container.
All right, come
Listen, you're going to sit with this officer here.
Good. I want to talk to the same one.
on. Do you want to just sit in my car to be warm while we...
No,
this?
I want to stand out here in the cold until you remove
Okay.
my cuffs and I'm legally
Okay,
allowed
that's
to
fine.
leave.
You can sit here right at the front. At least it's warm. Okay?
Ow.
Come on, you're right. Just relax.
Why am I being detained? What the
Because
fuck?
it's cold out.
I don't care if it's cold.
No, but
I'm wearing 3 layers.
while we're doing this, I just need you to sit in here. Okay? Because it's not right to stand out in all this cold. Me
He was
too.
supposed to be some amazing police officer. What did he do in a shed to his daughter or son?
Alright, partially consumed, approximately halfway. Budweiser. Big for a 12 ounce, right?
I don't drink bad, ain't
Yeah.
I'm an alcoholic.
5% alcohol by volume. Oh no, it is 16. It's a pint. That's what I thought. 16 fluid ounce, 1 pint beer, 5% alcoholic by volume. Budweiser. Confirmed by carbonation, color, and odor. End of recording.
The 34-year-old woman was given 3 charges: resisting an officer without violence, trespass and refusing to leave, and drinking alcohol within 500 feet, which is a public alcohol violation. In the end, she wasn't convicted on every charge, but she wasn't completely cleared either, and was originally charged with resisting an officer without violence and trespassing after refusing to leave. However, both of those charges were dropped after she completed a diversion program, meaning no conviction on either of those counts. She did take a no contest plea to an alcohol-related charge involving drinking in a restricted public area, and the court formally adjudicated her guilty on that charge. She did avoid jail time, but it still came with a financial penalty. She was ordered to pay over $600 in total fines and court costs. Specifically, you can't drink alcohol in public areas such as sidewalks, parking lots, and outside stores, and in this case, she was within 500 feet of the Publix grocery store. You also can't drink near businesses unless it's a licensed area, such as a bar or restaurant, and you can't have an open container outside of approved zones. All suspects are innocent until proven guilty in the court of law. As always, let me know your honest thoughts down below in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.
This isn't a loaded gun. I've had a gun put up against my head. No.
Well, I'm not
Back
like you,
off.
but I want
I
you
will
back.
open it up and you can search it from a distance. I've done it with an officer
Okay.
before.
All right, let's go.
Illegal as hell.
And
In fact, you don't even have a reason for collecting my backpack.
I do.
My personal effects are in this
I
bag.
do. So you wait here. I'm just going to go over here where I have room away from you. And
Would you relax, please?
Get away from me! I don't trust your officers! You've been nothing but abusive! I wouldn't even call you if I needed the
Would you
safety!
stop?
I'm here collecting trash to survive!
Why are you screaming?
Because you didn't even go through my backpack, he's going behind a wall!
I'm just
Do it in
here.
front of me!
Yeah, okay,
Stop
come
that.
on. Then.
In front of me!
Here I am.
Right here.
No, shame me! Shame me for being a woman!
Meg,
It's
would you
bullshit!